Get ready to go. Ready to rumble?
I'm ready to rumble.
All
Good
right,
morning, Capi.
ladies and gentlemen. Hello, and welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Good morning, Steve. Good morning, everyone. All right, so let's just get ready to have a magnificent Monday.
That's correct.
Okay. All right, so right off the bat, Monday, right? We all know Monday. Mistake. How do I feel on Monday after 2 days not trading?
Like a rusty pelican.
No, totally the opposite. Exactly like a rusty. I'm rusty. Exactly. I thought you meant like fresh. No. 2 days without trading, I'm already weary. I'm telling you. Okay. So overall market direction sideways. Price right now 40.26, and right, March 27. All right. So the overall market direction is sideways. Right. So we all know what sideways means, right? Not all sideways are created equal. You have to have a system that knows exactly the difference. So, okay. So sideways. All right. So what are we looking for? We're looking for resistance, and we're expecting the price not to take resistance, major resistance, and not to take support. So the first resistance, okay, first resistance. This is a predetermined pivot that I'm expecting the price not to take. Is, ladies and gentlemen, all right, okay, ladies and gentlemen, is 47. 47 is a predetermined pivot resistance, meaning short. Okay, so we're gonna be looking to short 47. What's the price right now? 27, right? 27, 37, 47. That's only 20 points. Nothing. Right? We know that this market can move 20 points in 20 seconds, right? All right. So you just go ahead and put a predetermined pivot resistance 47. Alrighty, so we have a bearish, a small bearish bias. I'm expecting the price not to take this high here, 34, easily, and that's gone down 10 points. And our job is to figure out whether. So we are expecting a continuation down. Is the price going to test the low 24? Take it. And where is it going to go? Well, I gotta tell you that that's not gonna be easy taking 20. It's just 4 points. Clean take of 20. Clean take of 20, then 16. 4 more points, and then.
Nas is asking if the sound is good.
That not only a professional, profitable, consistently profitable day trader needs to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there, right? And this is what we think is going to happen, right? We have a bearish bias. We are expecting the price to test the low, break the low, 24, break it, test 20, break it, test 16, break it, and continue to 11. So if we're right in our assessment, then we're in pretty good shape, because that's a nice target one range. Where are the resistances? The immediate high right here. It's not 34, by the way. It's 36. Okay, 36 is the real high today. It's not 34. The one. Well, what do you have there? Let's see. What's that swing high right there? It's 33.75, right? No. It's 36. That's the real. Okay. All right. Alrighty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time right now 9:18. We all know the open. We can change hats any second. If we find out that this bounce is strong enough and have the price go all the way to 36, right? In case that the smart money is looking to squeeze the bears, what do you think they're gonna do? They're gonna take it to 36 to squeeze the bears. They really want to go down to 22, 20, 16, 11, but they gotta squeeze the bears first, right? Most of the time, sometimes they don't do it. All right, the squeeze would take the price all the way to 36. I mean, that's all we have right now, so far. Time right now 9:19, 11 minutes to open. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm expecting a choppy open. Okay. So we still have the bearish bias, right? So price goes all the way to 29, and we have a bearish bias. We know that we're not expecting the price to take the high, 33, 34, right there. Price goes to 29, 4 points below, cannot take it, recoils here at the open, and 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 we all know that there's the small odds that when the break comes, it's going to be to the downside. Price is going to break the low, which is equally strong as the high of this wave, but one of the two is going to be broken. And we think it is the low, the one that's going to be broken. It's not going to be easy because it just got strong. That 23 got a little bit too strong for the bears, right? And and we have to deal with it. Choppy open, right? Choppy open with a bearish bias. So as the price rallies, right, goes up, we looking for that resistance, recoil, U-turn, right, and ride it all the way back down to 24, because we're expecting the price to test 24. It's not gonna take 23 easy, and then we just have to see what's gonna happen after that. Okay. All right. Okay. So, look at this stick. Look at this bullet. Yeah, that's right. All right. This bounce. Listen to me, ladies and gentlemen. Remember that day trading, the most difficult thing for traders to do is to change hats. Okay. All right. So we have a bearish bias, and we can easily change to bullish bias because we are trading what we see now. Until I don't tell you that, then you stick with the forecast that I gave you. Alrighty. Okay, so price goes to 29 again. Cannot take it again. We know that we want to be short the high, expecting the price to pull back and eventually break the low.
Capi, I have a vaccine booster poll.
So this chop right here, ladies and gentlemen, it's a total snake wave. All right, what does that mean? That means buy the low, sell the high. That's what that means. Boom, 29 again. Right, 28 half. We're gonna call it 29. And look at this. Look at the chop, ladies and gentlemen. Because remember, we not only want to know what the price is gonna do, but how it's gonna do it. And I told you we're gonna have a choppy open. Look what it's done. 26, 29. 3 points for 5 minutes. Right? It just has to continue chop. Right? Chop liver. Okay, that's 29 again. Look at that. Alrighty. Okay, mistake. So look at that mistake. You have a strong. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
It's a gold digger poll.
Yeah, that's right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So listen to this. All right? Listen to this. Very important. Price right now is 30. Okay. I have reasons to believe that it's going to continue going all the way to 36, 37. Price right now, look at that. All right. Price is 30. So in other words, right, the high got a little weaker, right? Okay. It got a little weaker because now the low, since I began telling you that the low is stronger, now we believe that before the price breaks the low, it's gonna break the high. So I'm expecting a continuation all the way to 36. Price right now 29. Remember 29?
Yeah.
Alrighty. So what's the low? It's 23, 24, right? 23, 24. Chop continues. Chop continues. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you all saw that drop from 32 to 23, right? It doesn't get, think about it, right? All right, so that's as tough as it gets. All righty, we changed hats. We thought that the price was going to break the high. It took that 30 by a little bit, goes to 31. We changed hats. And now we think that is the high that is going to be taken, and we continued the chop, and we can easily change hats again. You all know that a clean break of the low, you know exactly where the price is going, and now a clean break of the high, you also know exactly where the price is going. Okay, all righty then. So we have 23. And 32 now. 23, 32. Clean break of 32. It's only going to 36. Clean break of the low. Then we're expecting a continuation. All right? This open, I'm going to tell you this, I think for the fifth time, is as tough as it gets. All right? It's an extreme chop, and chop with this type of volatility, it's a tough call. All right, okay, especially after that drop that we saw from 32 to 23, right? 9 points in what? In 9 microseconds, quantum leap seconds. All righty then. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So listen to this. This is crazy. Change hats back again. This is the third time that I'm changing hat. Bear. It is now the low, the one that is going to be taken, and we all know where the price is going to go. Alrighty? Now the high, believe it or not, got stronger. The low, weaker. Clean break of this here, 24. Right? 24, we believe that the price is going to 20. That's what we think now. Right? Oh my gosh, so... Sure? Yeah, that's right. Sure. Right? Price is going to 20. Oh my God, so that's going to be tough, man. Yeah, that's right. Bears, we don't want the price to be above 27. 27 is key for us, for the bears. Those of us who are expecting the price to break the low, just like we were, and go, bam, that's 19. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so when I told you, sure now, price was right there, 26, right? And you all know where it was going to go. 20. Boom. That's 19, 18, and you all know exactly what else is going to happen because I told you half an hour ago. So let's let it right now. So now we know what the main play is, right? But listen, you guys paying attention. Remember that we had a bearish bias all this time. It is the low the one is going to be taken. It's the low the one is going to be taken. Bang! And then the open comes. And then 23 gets strong. And then we change hats to bull. And then we are watching the market like a hawk. Because we're not going to be gotten by surprise, are we? And then we change hats back to bear. And we know it's going to go to 20. Bam! It just went to 18. Right? Main play It's confirmed bearish. Price already went to our first support 20 that I gave you half an hour ago. You all knew that there was going to be a bounce off of 20. And the reason that the price went to 18, right? Look at that. 18, that's pretty good for us. Main play short, so we want to remain. If you want to be on a trade with the main force, you want to remain bearish until I tell you to change that. If I don't tell you to change that, you stay short. What is it that we're expecting to happen next? Test of the low again, 18, and go where? 16. You have it written down right there. That's what we're after. Let's see what's going to happen. Is it possible that we can change hats for the fourth time back to bull? Of course it is. It's just wait there for me to tell you. All right? Good. Is this a tough open or what? Think about it. Look at it. Right? All right. So you're gonna stay with the forecast until I change it. So the higher it goes, a better risk reward ratio we're getting because the main play remains bearish as long as I don't tell you otherwise. What's the next resistance? Oh, of course, it's right here. That's it. It's 32. And the high of the channel that we are on since 45 minutes ago, which is 36, right? So we don't, all righty then. Okay. We're not counter trending because the 2018 wasn't a target. The target was 11. So we're not taking advantage of this beautiful bounce from 18 all the way to almost 30. 12-point bounce in 12 quantum leap seconds. So this open is not for the faint of heart. This open is not for the amateurs. This open is not for the teenagers on YouTube, all those kids that claim that they're big shot traders. That's not for them. All right? Not that they trade for real, but you know what I mean. All righty? So let's see. All right, so remember 27? Where is the price right now? 30. It's above 27, isn't it? And what is 27? 27 is a bang in the butt. 27 is a key level. Listen, as long as the price is above 27, being short, it's not comfortable. Oh my God, Capi. I know. But the main play is short. It is short until I tell you it's not anymore. But above 27, we are, not that we're not always cautious, but above 27, we're really cautious. Okay? We want the price to come back down and start printing 26, 25, 27, this and that, so that we can eventually go back to, not back, so that we can eventually go all the way to 11. Is it possible that we can change hats to bull? Well, let's see how strong 27 is going to be. Okay? It's exactly what we're looking at right now. Don't let it go against you because look at this action, ladies and gentlemen. Price went from 32 to 18 in 18 microseconds, right? 32 minus 18, that's 14 points. And then 14 points back up. Do you think that this is an easy open?
Not at all.
It's been tough since I've been saying it, right?
Yes.
It's as tough as it gets. All right. So no Lamborghinis yet.
Not yet.
Okay. Lamborghinis yet. We're gonna let the dust settle a little bit and don't let it go against you. Okay. So 27. As long as the price is above 27. The Bears are, they have to fight their position. Okay, short term, longer term, it's a this is spike, all the way to the high here, 33, 34, and we know 36 is the high of the channel. Then we are expecting the price to recoil and not take. Okay. Short term, are you kidding me? That's easy. The Bulls took control right there at 18, and they moved this baby all the way. Look at that, from 34 minus 18. They moved this baby 16 points in 16 seconds, right? That's what we have to look at it right now. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, right, so we believe that we believe that we believe that this bounce off of 18, right? We took the 20, we took 19, we took 18. Beautiful. Um, we believe that this bounce rally is a bear squeeze on the longer time frame. That's why we are short the highs. Just like I've been telling you for 45 minutes, right? Price goes to, look at that, 33.75, right? You'll know that it wasn't going to take 33, 34. Recoil, and bang! Look at this pullback. Nice pullback, right? All the way to 30. I mean, not nice, but that's what we have with this chop. Okay. All right. So price goes to 33.75. We know that we're shorting the highs. Main play remains short. Pulls back all the way to 30 quarter. Nothing to write home about, but we just have to continue managing, this action, and we know 36, 37 is the high of a channel. Okay, so we are in a wave which is inside a channel, and the channel is sideways, the wave is sideways. So what do? We buy support and we sell resistance. What what a trader needs to know all the time is when to buy resistance and when to sell support. It's called a breakout, right? And that's what the smart money does. They scare the hell out of the teenagers on YouTube and and take all their money. Those who dare to trade real money. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's 34, right? If you were waiting for it, 34 exactly. All right, so it's still going up. This is a strong bounce, and the price is above 27. So short term, we can see that the bulls want to take the price all the way to 36, 37. We're not long the low, right? Because it only went to 18 and we wanted the price to go to 11. That's where we were going to go long. So no chance to counter trend long. We didn't have a chance. So this beautiful bounce all the way from 18 to 35, we're missing it. It is what it is. Okay, so watch it. Okay. Okay, 27 remains a pain in the butt for the Bears. All right, so, okay. All right, so those of you who waited for the price to go to 34, which is the exact level that I said to short, it's a razor sharp entry. Price went to 34 quarter. So in other words, Price goes to 34. You take that shot 34 that I've been telling you for what? For 45 minutes to take. It stays there for a couple of seconds. You get picked up, so you have plenty of time and plenty of room to be short 34. And look at this. Look at this recoil all the way to 29. 34, 29, that's 5 points. We are 5 points in what? In 5 seconds. Number one, and number two, it's a razor sharp son of a gun entry because we only took one tick of hit. Price went only to 34 quarters. Think about that. With this chop and this volatility and this crazy open, all we took was, for the official 34, but we're all short. We established a position short the highs, right? We're all short the high, 32, 33, 34, right? But those were engineers, and I'm only going to take the exact level. Razor sharp 26, 25. You're up 10 points on a razor sharp entry short. We are expecting a continuation. Boom! That's 24, right? So you're up 10 points right now. Is the price below 27? Yes, Capi, it is. Terrific. Is 27 a pain in the butt? Yes, it is. Is the price gonna try to get everybody out of 27? Yes, but it's not gonna get us because we know 27. We know the longer term forecast, the action, what we expect the market to do, the price. We know the importance of 27. We know that the main place being short, until I don't change it, it is what it is. It is my last call. You are short 34. Price just went to 24, gave you 10 points on that one alone. Razor sharp entry. Bounce 24. And gee, what a surprise. The bounce. Where to? 27. All right. So let's just let the price mess with us here. 27. Okay. No biggie. All right. We're going to 11. All right. So what is it? What is it that we're after? 34 minus 11. We're after 23 points. Target 1. Oh my God, Capi, but this is are you kidding me? I'm locking 10 points, man. Are you crazy? What do you think I'm gonna let it go all the way to 11? What if it changed and it go back? Oh my God, no, I'm taking my 10. That's why we trade multiple positions. Just go ahead and lock 10 points, Especially on this open. Are you kidding me? Number one, and number two, we can easily, any second I can change hats to bull, right? I'm watching the action like a hawk. I'm watching 27. Ladies and gentlemen, look at just what happened. Price goes to 24, bounce, 29, and then pulls back to where? To 27, to the tick. Bang! 27, it pulls, 29, back to 27. What is it that I told all of you the price was going to do at 27? It was going to give us a hard time. Bam! 22. Alrighty then. Those of you who stayed short, you're having a ball, are you not? All right. All right, just concentrate. Stay with me. Right? Yeah, sure. What do you think? It's going to be easy taking 18? Of course it's not going to be easy taking 18. It's okay. Don't worry about it. We're going to let the fake gurus out there to to let the market take them. Right? We're going to stick with the plan. Okay, we're going to stick with the plan. And if we have to change hats back to bull in a split second, we'll do it. Period. That's it. We get the hell out of the short. We go long. And then if we go long, it's because we are expecting the support to hold, bounce strong enough, and take the price to God knows where. If we do it, I will know exactly where the price is going to go and how it's going to get there. In the meantime, we just stick with the plan. Let's go 11. Period. That's all there is to it. 23 points. That's what we're after. Is it guaranteed? Are we going to be right 100% of the time? Well, in this room, it looks like we are right 99% of the time, but this could be that 1% that we're not. So don't get distracted. All right? Let's go ahead and write this baby. As long as the price is below 27, we are comfortable. We're comfortable, meaning, well, of course, Capi, because are you kidding me? We are short 34 and 27, of course, 27 to 34, that's 7 points. Of course, we're comfortable. That's not what I mean. As long as the price is below 27, we are comfortable that later on, the price will pull back to the new low here, to this pivot low 21, break it, test the swing low 18, break it, and continue to 11. That's what I mean. All right, so hang in there. So remember that you're here. Oh, is that 27 to the tick by any chance? I don't call me crazy. Is that 27? Is it 27? All right. Is it price doing at 27 exactly what we say it was gonna do? Look at it. 27 to the tick again. Anyway, what I was gonna say is, ladies and gentlemen, remember that you are here not only, to trade my calls, but to learn price action. Because remember that you are the best traders in the world. Very few traders in the world know how to do this and know how to really read the price action. So pay attention to every single word, every single comment that I make. Pay attention to it, memorize it, learn it, and go with it. All right. So that next time that we have a formation like this one, you know exactly what it is I'm saying. Okay. All right. So we're watching the market, and chop begins. Remember, we're not in a downtrend. I haven't said that. We just have a bearish bias. That doesn't mean that we are in a downtrend. Oh my God, but 211 is a downtrend. Yeah, but 211, we need to break. Remember, we needed to break 24, we need to break 20, we need to break 16, and then, right, it'll go to, it's not going to happen anytime soon. All right, so we are on trade management right now, and we need to see the importance of and the strengths of every single level that our system give us here, and go with the future. All right, which is what trading is all about. Is the future. Period. Okay, don't let those parakeets out there tell you different. All right, ladies and gentlemen, remember at the open I told you, hey, listen, this 23 is getting stronger. Boom! That comment is what took the price all the way to 34, to our resistance 34, right? Hey, 23 is getting stronger. Okay. Well, the chop is getting stronger. I'm not expecting a break of either one of these two anytime soon. All right? All right. Okay. Short term, this 27 right here, it's more of the dancing around it, okay? So those of us who are short 34 already made, right? What will the price go? So those who are 34, price already went, it went to 21, right? 34 minus 21. We're already up 13 points, right? We have to be calm, cool, and collected. So we're always asking ourselves, what if, right? What if something happened and this thing goes the other way? That's what we're looking at, right? So for us to be prepared, we need to know, okay, let's see what the hell is going on, right? So we know 27, and then we're going to watch the price, how it behaves around 27 is so important. I have no idea how important 20. Look at that. Boom, 26 quarter, and it just couldn't. It had to drop all the way back down to 24, right? So, because the bears, we're not going to let the price take easily 27. If it does, because you know that this is a constant battle, that means that the bulls are going to be taking control of the action, right? If they manage to take the price easily above 27. So we bears price break 27, and then we start tightening our leash, and we're not gonna let the price go against it because we know that a clean break is gonna take the price all the way to 36, 37, and then we have to watch how the price behaves there, and then a clean break of the high or a strong base, and we know the price is going to 47, and then we're going to change hats. So in other words, I'm telling you all of this so that you are prepared to change hats and go to 47 if I tell you to do it. All right? In the meantime, we're going to stay with the plan. I know that we just made 13 points, and our hand is itching to take them, right? But that's why we trade multiple contracts. You know. All righty then. So, all right. So remember 20, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Price just went to 20. Can take it. 20 was one of our supports, our small supports. Remember 20? I gave it to you. 23, 20, 16, 11. All right. Price goes to 20, cannot take it. Bounce back to G. What a coincidence. 23. Another one of our level. 23, 24. So in other words, big time shot. Okay? And I'm expecting a lot more. There are no economic releases today. So not expecting this is not a Lambo day, but you never know. All right, let's see. I mean, so this is better for us now because the resistance that we don't want the price to take, the first one, it went from 27. 27 is not it's no longer a key level. It's okay. It's 30. All right. So as long as the price, so we have more room to continue being comfortable. That's exactly what that means. It went from 27 to 30. Well, that's pretty good, right? Of course, we're gonna continue watching 27, but resisting it's 30 now. Okay. Okay. Scalpers, right? Scalpers. Those who believe that is bull scalpers. Those who believe that they're better off, that they have a better chance by being long than short to take advantage of a longer, bigger move. They're scalping this low right here, 1822. All right, 1822. This is a 3 points of support. It's not gonna be taken easily. All right. So short-term players, they're going long. This loan right here. Okay, and what is it that we're interested in? The future. What's eventually going to happen to that range right there? That's what we're interested in. Right? But we want to know that these guys, look at that, 22, right? We want to know, how much they're pushing that 22. Look at it, 22 to the tick. All right, somebody's gonna win this battle. Let's see if it's us or them. Okay. So why do we want it? Why am I telling you this? Because we want to know not only what the price is going to do, but how it's going to do it. And the way we know how the price is going to do what it's going to do is by knowing what the bulls are doing right here in this 3 point range, which is what's preventing the price to finally, eventually just take below and go to my hour 11. That's how we know how is the price going to go, whatever it is that we say it's going to go. The future. All right. And then, right, we have to be on top of these bulls in case that they become stronger than the bears. And then that means that the low is going to hold. And then the thing is going to go up, and it's not the low, but the high, the one that's going to be taken. And then we have to change hats again. Not until I tell you. All right. Every time the price it rallies, we take advantage of being in a better position. All right. Number one and number two. Remember, 27 is no longer 27. Or let me put it to you this way. Actually, smart money knows 27, and they know that bears are going to short 27, so they need to take the stops of all the 27s. Is that 27 again by the tick? Boom! 27 again. So, if when the smart money is nasty, they're going to squeeze the 27 pairs all the way to 30, 31. But look at 27. They couldn't take it. They could not take it. Bam! 27. Pull back. 23. Just cannot take it. All right? So, now that the price goes all the way to 27 to the tick, cannot take it. Recoils. Pulls back all the way to bing. 23, 22. Right now, 22, right? Then we are comfortable, calm, cool, collected. Taking it easy. We're going to let the price chop all it wants, and we're counting on the eventual break to the downside and take us to 11. That's all there is to it. Well, that's not all there is to it. That's right. That's scenario number one. Scenario number two is we always have two scenarios, right? Scenario number one is the forecast, what it is we're expecting the price to do. Scenario number two is what if? Hey, listen, oh my God, Capi, 15, that's beautiful, man. Oh my God, you said it, 16. Bam, 15. Right, from 34 minus 15, that's 19 points. You knew 15, right? You knew 16 because I told you what are the supports, what are the levels of support that are not going to be easy to take. Which ones are they? I'm going to give it to you again, 24, 20, 16, and then finally 11. Look at that. Price just went to 15 quarter, right? 15 half. And look, bang, 5 points bounce. And you know all this number for how long? Come on. How long you've known all that the price was, this is exactly how the price was going to behave at this exact level. How long have you known that? It's okay. It's a rhetorical question. Don't worry about it. Don't answer. You're here not to test, not to answer my question and all that stuff. I'm just having fun. If you do answer, though, then you're giving me feedback, and I know your level of understanding of my analysis, right? But only if you are comfortable, all right? Because remember, 100% focus. Okay, that's at the end. That's what's gonna make it. All right, look at it. Look at that, my friends. All right. So. All right. So what do you think so what do you think just happened? Right. Remember I've been telling you. Hey, listen. These guys right here, they are protecting the 1822. They're not gonna let it. They're not gonna let the bears break the low of that 3 point range, 1822, easily. And look at what happened, right? Price goes to 16, bounce, and look where it is at right now, 21, 22. All right. Okay, so those of you paying attention, and those of you, right, playing the wave. I'm gonna make it easy for all of you. Overall market duration is what? Sideways. And the wave is what? Sideways. We're in a snake wave that has been getting wider as the price has continued going. You know that 18 is gonna be support. So those of you who are big shots, you are long 16 because I told you, right? I told you, hey, listen, they're gonna defend. No, Capi, are you crazy? I'm not long 16. It would be a counter trend because our trend is down from 34 to 11. We all know that, but we also know that 18 and 16 are supports, right? Okay. And what do we do? What do we do when the structure is sideways? We buy the low and we sell the high. What's the low? 18 and 16. You've known it. No, Capi, I'm not long because I'm riding this baby all the way to 11. It's okay. You don't have to counter trend. All right. You don't have to counter trend. It's okay. But why not make a couple of bucks in the meantime? Right? Especially when I told you, hey, listen, 1822 bulls, they're going to defend this range. Price goes to 16, which is our support, right? One of the four supports, 24, 20, 16, and 11. Right? So we counter trend with a smaller position size so that you make a couple of pennies while waiting the price to eventually go to 11. As a matter of fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on. That drop to 16 is a squeeze of the Adam and Eve bullish setup that is 1822. 1822 is a casino because that's our short term methodology, right? That's a bullish Adam and Eve. 18 is a loan. All right. So the price takes 18 all the way to 15 half, a couple of points. That's a 2 point squeeze for the bulls, right? Weak bulls, they got scared when the price broke 18 and it went all the way to 15 half. They got the hell out of there. They just lost a couple of pennies. And look at that. They say, oh my God, why the hell did I get out? Man, look at the bounce all the way to 24. This 9 point bounce. That's exactly what the smart money does to teenagers on YouTube. All right? That's exactly how the market behaves. We, on the other hand, we know exactly what's going on all the time because we are all about complete control. What does that mean, complete control? We know exactly what the bulls are doing. We know exactly what the bears are doing. We know exactly what the snakes are doing. And we know exactly what the weasels are doing too. All right? You didn't know about that one. That's right. It's another one. Bull, bears, snakes, and weasels, my friend. All righty then. Yeah, this is exactly, what I just told you. That's exactly what's going on. You are right next to me here. You would have totally, completely buy that 16, which, by the way, is a razor sharp entry because it only went to 15 half, 2 ticks below our support 16. You're right here, and you can see the squeeze. You're right. You can see the squeeze, and you see the drop, and you see, oh my god, I have to go long here, make a couple of pennies, on this uh, on this bull squeeze. That's exactly what happened, right? That setup, it's not this. If you, the setup that I just told you, right? Hey, by the way, dear Mac, our I don't I didn't I 4 years ago, when we were trading here in this room. I didn't give the names of the setups. Yeah, I didn't want to, it's too much information. But I'm doing it now, and the reason I'm doing it now is so that when I say, hey, listen, we have a bullish anomaly, we have a bearish uppercut, we have a bullish quantum leap. All the names of all the setup that we take here, then you wanna memorize this, write it down, so that you can have your own statistics. Okay. Oh, okay. Capi said that this is a bullish Adam and Eve. Look at that. It was good for 25 points, 35 points, 40 points. Oh my God, unbelievable, right? So you have your own statistics of all these setups that I call. For example, I'm gonna tell you the reason I knew that 1822 was not going to be easily taken is because there was a bullish casino setup. Remember, casino is the short-term play, right? And it's called Adam and Eve. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. It wasn't, and then not all setups, like everything in trading, not all setups are created equal. Some quantum leaps are stronger than others. Some Adam and Eve are stronger than others. This Adam and Eve is weak, but a setup nevertheless. And look how it's working. All right, so that's very important. Okay, pay attention, write it down, and so that so that you're better prepared when I mention it again. All right, so I want you to remember you're here to learn price action. All right, so listen to this. So you know that 18 is a short term setup buy. You know it. I just told you, right? And the name is Adam and Eve. Oh, okay, terrific. So so what do you think is going to happen if the price clean takes 18? What the hell do you think is going to happen? Where the hell do you think a clean break of a bullish setup, the price is going to continue going? Where? I don't know. Call me crazy. Where do you think it's going to go? Bingo. That's exactly right, my friend. So, let it ride. Okay, buddy? All right. It's not going to be easy, but that's what we're after. Right? Okay, well, but we'll see. Even if it doesn't get there, look at that, testing the low, right? 15. Well, how many points is that from 34 minus 15? How many points are we up? Those of you who have big coconuts, you're up 19 points right now, and we're only on our way to target 1. We still are working on target 2 and target 3. All right, it's not like that's 14. All right, okay, all righty then. Okay, listen gentlemen. All righty then. I don't know. Call me crazy, but is that, I don't know, you tell me, is that 11 to the tick? I don't know. Just tell me. Is that 11 to the tick? To the tick. Is that? I think it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to tell you the following, right? That's easy. Anybody that took the shot, 34, right? 34 minus, I mean, 11, you couldn't get out 11, so you have to pull the trigger marker, right? Well, I got out 11 half. That's pretty good. 34, one contract. 34 short to 11 half. That's $1,100, my friends. That's $1,100 in how long? In 1 hour. Isn't it? All right. And not only that, and the most important thing, 34 is a one tick of hit. In other words, a razor sharp entry. The entry is razor sharp and the target exit is razor sharp. Tell me that's not witchcraft. Tell me that's not witchcraft. Right? Alrighty then. Let's continue. Oh man, Capi. Yeah, that's right. That's $1,100 with one contract. All right. Let's go to target 2, Capi. Come on, where is this thing going? Well, a clean break of 11. We're going to 8. It's gonna be a little pain in the butt there, but I'm expecting a continuation all the way to 07. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. Now, listen to this. 07. It's okay if you nail, 4 more points. Okay, that's target 2. 07 is target 2. 06, 07 is target 2. Oh my God! But we just made right from 34 minus 11. We just made 23 points on target 1, and target 2 is only 4 points. Exactly, because this is all mathematics. Alrighty. All right. Oh my God! What a difference, man! 23 points target 1, 4 points target 2 from 11, right? Exactly. They know what's going on, and so do we. Okay. All right. Well, that's it. Hey, Capi, is it okay if I don't get out 06, 07, man? And, I'm just going to put a tie leash. I'm going to trail this baby, in case that it continue going down. I'm going to wait for you to tell me, if we finally, all right, so remember, OA, right? Okay, OA. All right, that's A half. What did I say price was going to do at OA? OA was going to stop it. A, 9, 11, A, 9, 10, 11. 3 points, I told you. OA is going to stop it. Look at what just happened. A half totally stopped the drop. Right? Well, let's see for how long, because remember, OA is only a destination. This low right here is just a destination. Okay? We are counting on the price to continue to 07. That's 1 more point. Oh my God, 1 more point, Capi. I don't think so, man. I'm gonna get the hell out here. I'm not gonna risk for 1 point, right? Okay, that's not bad. And you know why? I'm gonna tell you why, ladies and gentlemen. OA. We're gonna analyze OA and see how strong it is. Look at the bounce from 8 to 13. That's 5-point strong bounce. Let's see if the price is gonna go back to 16. All right, I'm telling you why, because we know we know that the Bulls, they're going to go long 08. 08 is support. Didn't I tell you? 11, 8, 06. So what just happened? Bulls jumped the gun. They say, you know what? I'm not gonna let it go to. I'm not gonna let it go to '07 because I don't want to. I don't want to miss this the price bouncing and never going to '07 and then it's going to 16. It's going back to 16. So I'm gonna jump the gun 08, '09, and I'm gonna scalp from '08, '09 all the way to 16. Price right now 12, now 13. Let's see if that's exactly what's going to happen. All right. At least short term, right? Okay, well, we'll see. Okay. This is what being in complete control means. You've got to know every single little move, future, current, concurrent, past. Where is it going? Why? How it's gonna get there? How strong is this support? How strong is this resistance? Are we in a tight tube channel? Are we in a broadband? What the hell is going on? I want to know everything. Once you know everything, you are, my friend, in complete control of the market, and the market is not in control of you. That makes sense? And that's all day trading is all about. Of course, you have to have the coconuts to do what the system says you should do. A lot of traders are don't have the coconuts to do it. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, right. So let's pay attention to this '07 because it's getting strong. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, the stronger this, ladies and gentlemen, this low right here, '08, is a swing low. There's a difference between a swing low and a pivot low. A swing low is stronger. This this '08 quarter that price just went to a quarter is a swing low. So I'm expecting the price not to easily take it and the bounce to be strong enough to take the price back to 16, just like I told you 2 minutes ago. So you want to know that. Oh my God, Capi, I'm gonna go long right here. Well, you know, a move back to this swing low. We all know the price is gonna be looking to go to 6, 7. So you have to be careful of that, right? But it's a swing. It's a swing low. It's strong enough to take the price all the way to 16, like I've been telling you for 2, 3 minutes now. Okay, we'll see about that. Okay. All right. Remember, '06 is target 2. All righty. All righty. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. So, okay, hold on a second. Give me just 1 second right here. Okay, the read is getting tough, ladies and gentlemen. Time right now, 10:40. Listen to this. We need to know at all times the odds as to our forecast, and we at all. Son of a bitch. Okay, hold on a second. Okay. All righty, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so there's going to be a fight here, '08. Remember, you don't have to counter trend. I'm telling you what the bulls are looking to do, and we take advantage of it, right? The bulls are looking to take this baby all the way to 16, and I'm waiting for confirmation because we we might have a temporary low. Not OA, O6. All right. Okay, so temporary low. Okay, what does that mean? Well, that means that I'm not expecting a strong continuation down all the way back to 4,000. You know, of course, that's target three, right? Not really. It's a destination. Okay, 4,000 is a destination. It's not target three. And okay, all right. And remember that the all right, bada bing, bada boom. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so target three, ladies and gentlemen, is 96, 4 points below 4,000. So, in other words, those of us who are tied, our hands, handcuff your hands, sure, we are expecting a continuation all the way to target three, which is 39.96. That's target three. we have to we have to log '06. You know, there's nothing I can do about it. All right, we have to log '06. Only 4 points. Okay. All righty, and then 406. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and then target the odds that we're gonna get target one. They're usually pretty good, right? They're really good actually. The odds that we're gonna get target two, they're okay. You know, we get them most of the time, but you know, it takes a while. It takes balls. It takes courage. It takes confidence. It takes management. It takes control. It takes a lot more expertise to go to target two. The odds that we're gonna get target three, well, my friends, that's a challenge, right? All right. Okay. Target three is 96. And remember, target one, the reason target one is a target is because it's support. So we can counter trend long target one, target two, and target three, and the last target. All right? Oh, okay, so can we go long '06? You bet we can. I'm not expecting a clean break of '06. That's not going to happen. Let me rephrase that because that sounds stupid and arrogant. I'm not expecting the price to clean break '06. You know, I'm not expecting. Of course, it could happen. We know that the price can destroy '06 and go in one shot all the way down to 96. We know that, but I'm not expecting it. All right. There is a reason '06 is target two. It's because it's support. You know. Yeah, Capi, but it's only 4 points, man. You know, '06 to 11, 11 minus 6. Oh my God, it's only 5 points, man. I know. You know, it is what it is. '07, all right? Is that 675? Is that 675? Is that a bounce all the way to '09? Boom, 9.5. Okay, okay. Right? All right. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. Right? 675, ladies and gentlemen. Right? You know that it's okay. Right? 6, 7. You know that it's okay. You can get in within a point. You can get out within a point. Take a point. You know, give or take a point. You know, depending on the volatility. You know, sometimes two. That's 675. All right. So target two hit officially, right? It went to 675. Target two is 6.7. All right. So one tick below '07 and three ticks above '06, right? And now let's see what else. Listen, this swing low, the one that I told you 5 minutes ago, '06, is strong enough to take the price back to 16. I told you that 5 minutes ago. All right? So what do you think happened right there at '06, '07? Bulls are going to ride this baby all the way to 16. I told you that. 16. Trading 101. Support become resistance. Support. Remember 16? Of all the levels that I gave you, 24, 20, 16, and 11, 16 is in command right now. That's where the Bulls are going to take this bounce off of '07. 16. All right. And we counter trend long, so you should be long right now. Our counter trend '06, '07. No, Capi, I wanted to go to 4,000. Well, it's okay. That's the main play. But why not take advantage of a rally that we know is coming from? Because I told you way before it happened. I told you 10 minutes ago. Bulls are going to bounce '06, '07, all the way back to 16. So why not go long the bounce with a small position, right? While we wait for the bears to take back control, because the Bulls are in control right now, short term. While we wait for the Bulls to take back control, go all the way back down to 7, 6, break it, and I continue all the way to 39.96, right? But how long is that going to take? A long time. So why not take advantage of that bounce that we know the odds that is going to happen and take advantage of a move all the way from '07 to 17. How many points is that on a counter trend? 10 points. '07, 17, 16, 9 points. Right? You're right here, right next to me. That's exactly what you would be doing. All right, ladies and gentlemen. and we have, listen, we have double reason to take that counter trend long. Number one, it's one of our old supports. And number two, for those of you paying attention, I told you, hey, listen, guys, this drop right here is a swing low. It's stronger than just a pivot low. Swing low? Are you kidding me? Swing low? Of course you go long a swing low. Swing low, swing high, you go short, swing high. You gotta take a chance on a swing low. You gotta take a chance on a swing high. It's a stronger, a lot of people, a lot of traders, they're looking for a swing low, but they have no idea of what's, the real level of a swing low. It's extremely difficult. It's like Elliott waves, right? You put 100 Elliott wave traders, and none of them are going to agree into which wave they are on. It's unbelievable. These people are a religious cult. They swear by it, and none of them make any money, and they swear by it, right? That's pretty much what happens with a whole bunch of all those indicators that indicator traders. All right, we are price action right here. However, whatever works, remember, if you're an Elliott wave trader, an Elliott wave trader, and they are consistently profitable trading that thing, then terrific. Whatever works. I'm just telling you, with our system here, the reason price goes to the tick is because our system right here is mathematics. It's a mathematical equation that gives me the exact number, period. That's all there is to it. All right? There is no subjectivity. Any of you that I teach this system and you are in Frankfurt, you are in Singapore, we both are going to agree onto the exact strength of all the levels that I give you here, because they are all mathematically, come on, baby, all right? So, okay, 15, right? Come on, baby. 15, one more point to 16. Okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Is that 16? Is that 16? Yeah? It's 16 quarter. And what happened right there at 16? Couldn't take it. Boom! 16. 9 points for you. Counter for your counter. 9 points right there. Okay? All right. Okay. All right, so we got target 1 and target 2. And you know the odds of getting target 1, you know the odds of getting target 2. Right, right. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Why we counter trend sometimes? Well, not sometimes. Always. Why do we always go after a counter trend, after we know the odds? Because sometimes a counter trend end up being the beginning of a new beautiful relationship. Okay? So in other words, here at Capital Trade Center, we knew that the swing low 0607 was strong enough to bring the price all the way to 16. 16 is target 1 for the counter trend. That's it. It's just target 1. And that we always look to get out 3 times. Well, not always, depending when we're scalping, which is in and out, taking a whole bunch of points rapidly, right? But, the bulk of our trading, right? We're expecting a short-term move to turn into a swing, to turn into a durable, right? It's going to be a while. We don't know if the price is actually going to 96, right? For the main plate short that we are from 34, which is the absolute top today, right? So we got target 1, we got target 2. And of course, target 3 is gonna take longer, and it's gonna be a lot more difficult, and we have to manage it more, and we're gonna be a little bit more tired, stuff like this. So why we went long right there, 0607? Because we knew the price was gonna go at least to 16. Look at that. Is that 17 half? Plenty of room for you. We've known 16, right? You know that you gotta lock 16 target 1, right? At this point, we're managing two positions. The main play, short 34, that already gave us 2 targets, and we are after target 3. You just leave that target 3, leave that unit, leave it alone. All right, because that's still the main play. No, Capi, are you kidding me? No, I don't have time. I gotta go play golf. Okay, get the hell out, or let the price take your trail. Of course, we are stop break even, start trading, right? Trail, target 1, hit, boom, come on, more down, boom, target 2, taken. Oh my God, terrific! Bounce is going to 16. You know that you're not gonna have a trail at 16 because you know that 16 is resistance. 16, 16 is resistance because we went long 07, and we're gonna get the hell out 16 because 16 is resistance. So you're not gonna get out of your main play. It's going to 16. On the contrary, you're gonna add to a winner 16 in case that you are all out of the main play short. Right? That's just logical mathematical thinking. The only thing is that you need to know that the price is gonna bounce off of OA, swing low, and you need to know that it's gonna be strong enough to take it to 16. If you know that, then you know exactly what you need to do with your logical mind. Right? Right. Okay? See. All you need to know is what I tell you here. Once you know all of that, then it's up to you. If you have a logical thinking mind, then you know exactly what to do. Support and resistance. It's not that well, it is extremely difficult. Not the mathematics, but the weak trader. That's difficult for a weak trader because a weak trader just just they don't have it what it takes. Come on, let's go 96 target 3, right? It's gonna be easy, of course not. We know that this low right here, 06, is a swing low. Bulls are gonna protect that 06, yeah, as much as they can until eventually somebody's gonna win. Either the Bulls are gonna win or the Bears. Well, the odds are, my friends, that that strong swing low eventually is gonna be taken. Guarantee, of course not. But those are the odds. All right. If it's not taken, so what? We already 34 minus minus 06. That's 28 points that we're already on target to. And you had a chance to add to a winner 16 because you know that 16 is resistance, right? Add to a winner 16, number one, and number two, you know that you're not going to have your trail at 16 because 16 is resistance. So what the hell are you kidding me? 16, listen to this. 16 is the stop for the amateur. 16 is the trail, is the stop for the neophyte. 16 is the stop of the scare money. 16 is where the smart money is gonna take out the teenagers on YouTube. All those teenagers claiming that they're big shot. That's where they're gonna be taking at their demo account because we know that none of these scumbags trade for real. We know that, right? So not only teenagers, a lot of old timers too that are master marketers, right? All these, all these people when you're studying trading and you get bombarded on YouTube, all these guys that paid millions of dollars in their marketing campaigns, right? We all know who all these pretty famous guys are, right? All crooks. All of them, none of them make any money trading. None. All righty then. Oh my God, Capi, what's the matter with you? Man, you're ranting today. What's the matter with you? What happened this weekend, man? You're pissed off. Are you kidding me? I'm having fun. I'm just telling you because I don't want these crooks to take advantage. It pissed me off how this crook takes advantage of so many innocent traders. It pissed me off. I cannot deny it. 11. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, it's not. Of course, this low right here is not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easily taken. All right. Okay. So listen to this. I am not counting. Let me see how I say this. I'm not counting on that drop to 96. With my eyes closed. No, 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 no. I'm not expecting. This range right here, 4,000. We all know 4,000 is a psychological level, right? So we're gonna be watching really close right here. This 4,000, 4,420. Okay, it's a little bit wide, I know, but time right now 11:06. All right, so start preparing to get the hell out of here. All right, we're going to phase 7 right now. Okay, phase 7 right now. Time 11:06. Right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been an interesting morning session. Right? I'm pretty sure that all of you are pretty happy. And remember that being in this room entitles you to 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 consultation, right? Consultation with me. Take advantage. Ask me questions, right? So that I can, make sure that that you're getting the best possible advantage of your membership. Okay. All right. I'm here for all of you. Okay. I love this stuff. You know, and the reason I'm here is because of all of you. You guys are what's keep me going. All right. So I want to see all of you super succeed. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the way the price is gonna behave from now on. All right. So we got our target one. We got our target two. Short 34, razor sharp entry. Right. We went to 11. We went to oh 06, and now we are on our way to 96. Stop, break even, start trailing, add to a winner 16. We knew 16 was resistance enough to add to a winner and to not get out. We took advantage of the bounce that we knew the price was going to bounce off of oh 06, target 2. Hello. Took advantage of that rally, 9 points, recoil, continuation down, taking the low, and this is the way it's going to take it because this low, ladies and gentlemen, is very strong. Okay, I told you that half an hour ago. It's not going to easily be taken, and that's why the price is behaving the way it's been doing it. Look at it, right? Right off of every single one of our levels. Okay, and that's why we are on phase 7 now, right? With 7 phases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom, we went from 6 to 7, and that's where we are at right now. Okay, time right now 11:12. If there is a new if there is a new rotation, I'm not gonna play it. That's it. I'm done. Okay, I'm going with the odds. That's all there is to it. All right, so new rotation, a new reading, a new the market. The market decides to do something new. It's gonna do it by itself, not with me because I'm out of here. I'll wait until 11:30. Just hang around. Let's all hang around here together. And but I just want you to know that if there is a new reading, I'm not gonna pay attention to it because it's just too close to 11:30 already. That's what I'm trying to say. All right. So keep what you have and be happy. All right. We wanted to have a marvelous Monday. That's exactly what we had today. Tomorrow, getting ready to have a terrific Tuesday. All right. Remember the open, how tough it was, and we had to change hats 3 times. That's what separates us from the teenagers on YouTube. They have no idea how to do it, why it needs to be done, how to be patient, how to have confidence in your forecast, right? But my point is, remember how tough the open was, and look where we are at right now. What do you think the open did to the amateurs today? What do you think? Just tell me. Number one. Number two, you tell somebody what we did here today, and I'm telling you because I know how tough the read's been. You tell somebody what we did today, they're not gonna believe you. What? 11 to the tick? Really? 34 to the tick? That the answer? Really? You're full of shit. Are you kidding me? Impossible. Nobody can tell you that. show them the video to this idiot. Show them the video to see if we can do if it can be done or not. All right. Anyway, so I'm sorry I call them idiot, but it's just that. Yeah. All right, I take it back. Don't worry. I take it back. They should be selling real estate. They shouldn't be, doing this thing. This is the most difficult endeavor. This is the most difficult job there is in the intellectual job there is. I'm not talking about physical. There's other stuff that are really tough, right? Like boxing. That's tough, man. Cage fighting. As a matter of fact, let me take advantage of do you have any idea of the concentration of the focus that those fighters, those who trade cage fighting, do you have any idea of the concentration they have to have? That's the concentration that I want you to have here. If you have less concentration than any of these guys, then you know how you're going to end up, right? Not physically, but we all know how that account is going to be. All right. So one of the things that I really push is 100% concentration on what? On every single word I say. Period. That's it. And every comment that I make, I don't say anything that is not strictly directly related to the task at hand. Remember, this is not a social trading chat room. This is a professional, live, real-time trading classroom. That's why we are here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's O2, right? 275. Let's call it O3. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So hang in there. Do what needs to be done, right? Just like I said, right? 11:30 time right now. 11:35. Odds are beginning to lower. So this is all she wrote. Okay. Have the discipline to continue doing in alignment with the forecast. And remember, chop 20 points, right? So that's the new structure that I expect to happen from now on. Okay. All right. So hope all of you had a great, terrific time. Hopefully you learned a lot today. And remember, if it's not live, it's just simply not real. See you all tomorrow.